PPS is the professional networking, training, and information center for everything around pricing. And it is our job throughout the business world to connect pricing people with the education, training, strategies, and tactics that they need in order to survive and thrive, in order to do better for their companies, for their own careers, and in order to become better business people.
We have a strong presence in the United States now. We have a fabulous headquarters building here in Chicago, Illinois, downtown.
We have some local prospects here and local people that we've connected with, and I think it'll definitely be beneficial for us going forward.
Giving away the Oculus Rift was an excellent metaphor for PriceFX. It's literally the future of pricing, is what we were all about, and it's what we really wanted to tell people, and I thought it was a perfect way.
The thing I like about PPS is you're able to network with a lot of people, so you can get leads, you can talk to your customers, and you can also learn about trends in pricing so you can stay up with the latest things going into pricing business.